This is gonna look so nice for tea time.
And today we're planning a huge tea party. Well, I'm not planning it. My daughter's planning it. My youngest one, she's planning it. And she has this beautiful flower arrangement here. I'm going to take lots of pictures and I'm going to insert them as well. But she's done a lot of arrangements for the flowers and stuff. So let's check it out and see how it is. So I'm super excited. I'm really excited to see what she has for me to eat. I know there's going to be lots of baking that's happening inside. There's going to be fresh croissants, tea, cookies, cake. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys like it too. Make sure to remember to like, subscribe our videos, and support us.
Okay, Mom, let's go get the flowers for tea time. Right here?
Yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get these flowers. It's so beautiful. Okay, guys, so this is all we got from the garden. We got these beautiful flowers here. So we're gonna make a bouquet and then we're gonna show you. Can I put the flowers in the vase, please?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna put these beautiful pink flowers first. Also, these we got from the garden. How does this look? This one I'm not sure of, huh?
Good job.
Okay, guys, so for the tea time, we're going to be making croissants, and we have some filling here. We have Nutella and all the things that my family likes. We will be putting it in the croissants if they want it.
Oh, you're doing a great job. Oh, you did it better than me. Okay.
Guys, so now we're making Laughing Cow croissants for my dad. So this is the first croissants we're going to be putting in the oven.
Oh, it's ready at 350. What you doing here, Dolly?
I'm making these crackers and putting some cheese on it.
Ooh, let me see.
No, it's for tea time.
Oh.
Guys, so also for tea time, my doll America is joining us.
Okay, let's set up the chair, Dolly, for her, and then we can
Yeah.
put her in the chair, okay?
Okay.
All right, Dolly, what are you doing, honey?
So here I have a chair for my doll America. She's on the side here. So cute. Now we have my beautiful doll here. I'm gonna place her here in her lovely chair. Okay, so for a starter for my doll, we're gonna pour her some tea. It's learning time. 1 creaky teapot ready for some teas. 2 little cups, 1 for you and me. 3 tasty treats, just enough to share. Shaped like a circle, triangle and square. Our croissants are in the oven. I'm gonna give her hers because I made it earlier. Here it is.
All right, guys, so this is what my daughter's made. She's made this beautiful sign. Welcome to our tea party. Very nice. I love it. I love it. Love the flowers. Very nice. All right. Who's gonna wear the hat, Dolly?
Me.
Okay, well, put it on. Put it on. Go, go, go. Put it on. Wow, looks so pretty. Oh, but the bowl has to be in the front. There you go. You look so cute.
No, I think it should be in the back so she can see. Okay.
Very nice. All right, Dolly, so what are you getting here, honey?
I'm getting the mint for the food.